How to pay with Klarna on Ticketmaster. Follow my instructions. Klarna lets you split your ticket purchase into smaller payments, and Ticketmaster supports Klarna for select events and locations. Here's how to use it to book now and pay later. First, open the Ticketmaster app or go to Ticketmaster.com. Search for your event and choose your seats. Tap Buy Tickets to continue. At checkout, review your ticket selection and fees. In the payment section, select Klarna Pay Later. Depending on your country, you may see Pay in 4 or Pay in 30 days. Log into your Klarna account or sign up if you're a new user. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm your payment plan. Klarna will pay Ticketmaster immediately, and you'll pay Klarna over time. Always pay Klarna installments on time to avoid late fees. And check Klarna's eligibility rules for your region before booking. That's how to pay with Klarna on Ticketmaster quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.